Hi, I'm John Massmann with Isthmus Sailboards. Today I want to show you some of the details of the new Dakine T6 waist harness. This is Dakine's top of the line waist harness that forms to your body, thermoform compression on the interior, and it has what's called a Posilock feature, and that's what I want to cover right now. How does the Posilock work? How to attach it correctly. When you get your brand new T6 harness, the T5 will be very similar, the previous generation. You grab a hold of the harness, you're going to wrap it around your body like so, and be aware that we have this secondary power belt that needs to be released before you try to secure it to your body. So release that extra secondary power belt out of the way. Grasp both sides of the cummerbund. Set at a comfortable location in the swell of your back. Pull across and mate up the Velcro. The secondary power belt will allow you to secure it tighter by pulling it across your waist. Regarding the Dakine spreader bar and the Posilock, you'll take the loose end clip, male portion, insert into this wider channel on the female receptor, pull it through like so, seat the male on top of the female, and cinch the loose end webbing. Just pull it forward, get it snug. The most important part of securing a Posilock is that you pull it back around the front, and through underneath this little webbing is an extra slot. The webbing has to pass through that slot in order to lock the webbing. It cannot slide at this point, provided you pull it underneath that fitting. Your excess, you're going to feed through this little loop to get it out of the way. Both sides have the Posilock, so it doesn't matter what side you release from. It just is key that in both cases the loose end passes under this webbing through that slot to lock it in place. If you do this, I guarantee this spreader bar will not ever slip. Another nice feature of the Posilock system is that it's a pass-through webbing, so the spreader bar can actually move with your body when you're hooked into your harness line. It allows you to position your hips forward, face forward, look for the wind, look out in front of you. Change directions, same thing can happen this direction. The Posilock connector, how to connect it correctly.